Hello all and welcome back to my channel. As some of you may know if you watched my most recent video, my moving vlog, I'll link it up above if you haven't seen it yet, we moved. So when we were moving out of our old place, I decided to film a little empty apartment tour for two reasons. Number one, I wanted proof that we had actually cleaned the apartment in case the apartment people wanted to see it, which they did, so that was good that I did that. And secondly, I personally love watching empty apartment tours on YouTube, so I thought that you guys might enjoy it as well. And then I also did an empty apartment tour for our new place, so I think I'm gonna include that in this video as well. So welcome to two empty apartment tours, the one that we left and the one we moved into. I'll also share with you the square footage and the price that we paid for rent. We are in Denver, Colorado, so it's a little expensive, but I really hope that you enjoy the tours, and without further ado, let's get into it. New home sweet home. I thought I'd do a quick empty apartment tour. Just took my shoes off. So here we have the living room, kitchen. I'm gonna put my hand over this, but look, they got us little snacks. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then breaker box. Got pantry. Very nice. Washer dryer, which is awesome. Beautiful little kitchen. So cute. We have the patio, which I think is locked. There we go. Yeah, so we have the patio. Super cute. Hall closet, decent size again. We have the bathroom. Hello, there's me. Nice tub. More storage here. And then through here to the bedroom. Little built-in desk, which is awesome. And the closet. Ah, yes. Nice deep walk-in. So exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed those empty apartment tours. I'm very excited to be in this new space and start decorating and organizing. And I hope that you are wanting to follow along on that journey as well. If you are, please hit that subscribe button. That way you can follow along as we do cleaning and organizing and vlogging and all kinds of fun stuff here in this new space. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know that you enjoy this type of content so I can make more in the future. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day, and thank you for watching. Bye!